So now that you have a good feel for the layout of the dashboard, I want to give you a heads up that your system won't look that way when you first get set up. As you can see, the layout is the same, but the graphs look very different. Also, the sheets will be mostly blank, and this just means that your system is a blank slate. It's built just for you based on your preferences. For example, you'll see that the categories you chose on the Preferences form will be available to you in the Category column. You'll also see that if you chose to track locations or best by date, those will be here as well. And you'll see a couple of sample records. And by the way, these sample records are what are driving what you see here on the dashboard. And you'll see that as you add food to your food inventory, your dashboard will update automatically. For me, and for many other people that I hear from all the time, the charts on the dashboard are great motivators to keep prepping, let alone that they really help to guide your decision making as you continue on your journey of self-sufficiency and preparedness. It's also really interesting to see these graphs take shape as you enter your preps. You'll start to notice more categories in each of the graphs, the proportion of the size of this, each of the slices on the graphs or the bar charts. Everything will start to really take shape, and it really does provide great motivation as you see your preps being reflected in this way, in this visualization. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to make sure that it's clear what your ultimate prep system will look like when you open it for the first time.